If you're young, hungry, and thinking, I want to do something big in life, listen up, because this video can change your financial future. This is not just about buildings. This is about understanding the business behind land, homes, shops, and how people build empires with it. Title screen: Real Estate from 0 to 100. Part 1, Why Real Estate? Real estate isn't just property, it's power. It's the one asset class that combines appreciation, cash flow, control, and legacy. Every person in the world either lives, works, or shops in a property. And behind every one of those, there's someone earning from it. You don't need to be a builder to be in real estate. You need to understand how the game is played. Cue visual: people buying, renting, leasing, cut to value chain. The best part? You can start at 0. With no property, no license, just with knowledge and network. Part 2, the 5 roads in real estate. Let me show you the 5 paths to get into real estate. Number 1, broker. You don't need capital. You need hustle. You're the bridge between buyers and properties. You earn when you connect. Number 2, investor. Buy low, hold smart, rent or flip. Risk equals high. Return equals higher. Great for cash flow and long-term wealth. Before-after project visuals. Number 3, developer. The one who builds, takes land, adds vision, creates value. High reward, high risk, long cycles. Number 4, consultant marketer. You guide, market, position. In the era of Instagram and YouTube, this is gold. Developers need storytellers. Type part 2 in the comments and I'll post the second part.